Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here. Today I have a couple unboxings. I haven't gotten Glossy Box yet. They haven't shipped it yet, and I figure at this point it's probably not going to get here till the very, very end of the month. So I wanted to get these out because I've already seen people's videos up on these. So I have my Macy's beauty box or beauty bag for July, and then I also have my Ipsy. When I get my Glossy Box, I will put it up as a separate video. I usually just throw those up on a Sunday, and that will be my last Glossy Box, which I'm kind of relieved about, given that they've had such delays lately. I should add that these boxes or bags, the Ipsy is $12 a month and Macy's is $15 a month. So they're not too expensive, but you do get, I think, a good variety of products in them. Let's start with Ipsy. So this month's theme, I think, is Stay Golden, which is close to a movie quote that I like, or a book quote, Stay Gold Pony Boy, but Stay Golden is close. And it does have a really cute little doohickey on zipper pull, that's what it's called. And let me know how the lighting looks this time. I put you back farther a little bit to try to see if that helps, because I know there's a lot of different, it doesn't look quite right in this background, and I'm experimenting, but I don't know how much longer I will be with this background. All right, so we have the card, which this month tells us nothing, which is unusual because Ipsy usually, the base bag usually has this. So I don't know what any of the prices are. The first thing I am pulling out is from Makeup of the Day. It is the Lightning Crew. It is just a brush. I guess you could kind of use it for a highlight. It's a little large. You might be able to use it for a blush too. So we'll see. I'll put it in with my brushes. Probably, I don't know. I have used all of my brushes, and now I'm kind of going back through my maybes. So keep watching my Instagram for all of those. Why am I trying to take everything out of the bag all at once? I don't know. I haven't filmed an unboxing for a while. The next thing I have is from Neogen. This is the Serum and Oil Drop White Truffle. That makes me a little nervous to see oil. I don't usually use a lot of oils, so this is definitely something I will use in the evening. You can see that it looks very oily in there, like there's little beads in there. Not super exciting, but not terrible. Like, I like skincare, but I would rather not have something with oil in it. Then we have the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. I've had this many times, and coconut tends to break me out, so that will be definitely passed along. Then we have from Shades by Shan, San Francisco, California. It says, "You are very beautiful." This is, what is this? Honey, Peach, and Tangerine. So I'm assuming those are eyeshadows, and I'll give them a swatch. Ooh, little chunky. Don't go in very hard with that shimmer, because it will really pick up. It still doesn't want to pick up my skin because I'm so pale. That's what they look like. So you do have kind of like a matte, and you have a real shimmer that's like a full-on shimmer. All right, last thing in this one is from Purlisse. I'm pretty sure this is what I chose. This is the Watermelon and Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. I really liked this before when I got this, so I'm excited to have another one. And this is a good size. This is a full ounce of cleanser. So let's see, how was this as a bag? This was kind of a meh bag for me. I have some things that I'm super excited about. One thing for sure that I know I will be passing along, and then, you know, 2, maybe 3 things. Like, I don't really get excited about eyeshadow duos. I used to get really excited, but I have so many eyeshadows now that I'm not quite as excited about these type of shades. Like, maybe if they were bright purples or something. And I mean, look at my crazy eye look today. So I'm really excited about the Purlisse though, so that helps out. I think it was an okay bag. I don't think it's the best bag that Ipsy has done lately, but I don't think it's a terrible bag either. All right, let's move on to Macy's, and this month's bag is really fun, and I really like that I don't know, I just really like this bag. I like that it's see-through, but it's also pretty, which is unusual. You don't always get something that's pretty, but also kind of functional. You always get a card with Macy's, and they always have a coupon code. It says $5 off of your $20 purchase. You can use it online, and if you go into store, you can use it in store too, so you can use those coupons twice if you want to. Unrolling all of the tissue paper, and I'll just let those kind of fall into my lap to look through all of these things. So the first thing that I am seeing is from Coola, and there was things stuck inside of here too. This is the Full Spectrum 360 Sun Silk Drops. So it's an SPF of 30. Okay. So it's organic. I guess it's like a serum. That's what it kind of like feels like they're trying to say. It is very, like if you can see that little dot. Yeah, it's definitely more like a serum than anything that I have ever seen. It went on and it's kind of a little shiny. It does have kind of a scent to it. It says dispense several drops and apply evenly across face and neck. You can use them on their own or blend them in with your skincare. So that's interesting. I've never heard anything like that before. The full size of that retails for $46, so about the price of a serum, so pretty expensive. Then we have a perfume sample. This is from Versace. Never had a perfume sample from them be wrapped in plastic wrap though. This is Dylan Turquoise. I do have a few samples of this, and I did get a small like miniature bottle of this. It is a nice scent. It's a little musky for my taste. It's not as bright or as aquatic as fragrances that I usually like. So this is Mandarin Essence, Lemon, Primo Fiore Essence. I kind of butchered that, but kind of said some of it right, I think. Pink Pepper, Black Currant Buds, Absolute, Jasmine Petals, Freesia, Guava, Clearwood, Vibrant Woods, and Musk. So lots of things in there. I will use this because I have not used, I don't have a full-size bottle of it, so it's something I will be interested in. And spraying, that retails for $105 for the full size, which I think is probably the 3.4 ounce. I'm surprised I don't see a men's fragrance. Like usually they're right next to each other on that card, and I don't see one this month. All right, next up, this one I am very excited about. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge. Now they say they're 100 hour, which is crazy. I remember when it used to be like 48 hour, and then they went up to 72 hour. So I'm happy for this. This is a good size. It's half an ounce. It's a half ounce. Anyway, this is my favorite moisturizer of life, so I'm always excited to get another one of it. The full size of this retails for $41, so that's another good one. So far, Macy's is doing good. I'll use everything so far. Then we have, this is from Shiseido. This is a Ultimate Sun Protector Lotion and SPF 50, and this retails for $49 for a full size. So I don't usually go outside and do stuff that requires sunscreen, but when I do, I will totally use that. Then we have from Alterna, this is the Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. I don't blow dry my hair, so this is something else that I will pass along because it's not something I'm going to use. The full size of this retails for $34. I know Alterna is really good. I've had some nice nice hair care from them over the years, so that's another good one. I think this is a good one, and I didn't realize that they were having like a wait list for this box, because before it was you had to sign up for it and then you would get like the next month, but no, I guess people have been waiting months, which is a little crazy. Let's do this guy next. This is from Grande Lips. This is the Hydrating Lip Plumper. This color, it's looking a little more pinky, I think, on screen. Maybe not. It's brown, and it's kind of separating already. One, I don't like lip plumpers 2, I don't do gloss, and 3, this is not my color, so I'm going to pass this along. The full size is for $27. I have a friend who I think will probably enjoy this because she likes mixing stuff and loves lip gloss, so I'm going to give her that. And then the last thing that I have is a Rouge Volupte Shine Oil and Stick Lipstick from Yves Saint Laurent, and this retails for $38. So I already had this one, and I haven't swatched either of these. Let me swatch, not this one, neither of these. Let me swatch this other one. This is in the shade 45, but the one that other one that I have is 49, which is this pink, and this is going to give you a good like hint of what this looks like, except that's going to be a red shade. But do you see how like shiny and like almost see-through it is? That's like 2, so that's like what 1 go of it looks like. I don't love this lipstick, and I think I'm going to put both of those like and pass along because I don't see myself probably using those, and I'm trying to not open and use stuff that I don't think I'm going to use. So I'm going to pass that one along because I knew I had one, and I got this in another box recently, and I was like, oh, I think I already have it. I didn't, but I hadn't used it, and now I'm seeing I have another one of it, so I am going to pass that one along. So this box, let's see, let's look at what we have. I think it's a pretty good one. Like, I feel like there's a couple standouts that I'm really excited about. So the Clinique Moisture Surge is the one I'm most excited about. Like I said, that's $40 for a full size. This is kind of cool. This is probably a way that I would wear sunscreen more often than, you know, a traditional sunscreen. You know, $46, that's expensive. Grande Lips, not as excited about this one. This one retails for $27. The YSL lipstick, I think it would be fine if it wasn't a red. That's just not my favorite, and I like more matte lips. Even like this one that I'm wearing is a little shiny for me. Versace, I think it's always, that's one of my favorite things about this is that you always get a perfume sample with it. The Shiseido sunscreen I think is good too, $49 retail. Like, I'm going to use most of this. Well, maybe half of it I will use, and then I will be passing along that just because I don't blow dry my hair. All right, that is it for this month's boxes. Let me know your thoughts on these. Which one did you think was better? Which one would you have rather have had? Let me know if you get either of these, if you got the same things that I did. I did notice on some of the unboxings that I saw that people got substitutions, but I don't think I got that in my Macy, so I feel kind of I need to go back and like see what they got instead. So I know they got a Peter Thomas Roth cucumber mask. I saw that in one of the videos, but that's not something that I would use. So I'm happy that I didn't get a substitution, but I don't know what they didn't get instead. So I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by. I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.